How to create new tab on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new tab on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click this one here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and after click on it, just now all you need to do is just click this one here, new tab, and as you see, new tab have been created. And that's it, and you can create another tab. Just click here and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.